Space free, 248 gigabytes. J total size, 284 gigabytes file system. NTFS, the highlighted icon at the top left is your hard drive. WinTrans is my USB stick. Double-click the hard drive icon. Back to Contents, 32. The window now displays a list of all the folders on your hard drive. The SpookyTube folder is highlighted left. Double-click it. Note: the SpookyTube Documents folder is not part of the SpookyTube installation. It's my own collection of personal documents related to using the system. Back to Contents, 33. Copyright, KJI. Computer, Aza, C. SpookyTube, F// search SpookyTube, favorites, including library, name, share with, new folder, date modified, type CAM210X BCP Windows date modified, October 11th 2014 1603 file folder, size, H desktop CP210X BCP BNDLs October 11th 2014 1603 file folder, 4 downloads I. Data November 14th 2014 1532 file folder, 6 recent places languages September 27th 2014 1710 file folder, PL2303P with 1 by CDR. IBRLN star 11 FBL80 October 11th 2014 1603 file folder, libraries I. Scan data January 3rd 2014 0119 file folder, H documents, users August 8th 2014 2043 file folder, music waveforms October 11th 2014 1603 file folder, BI pictures TJP October 28th 2014 1321 DAT file 1 kilobyte, B videos Amcompat TLB September 11th 2013 1036 TLB file 17 kilobytes. JFBJO resize OCX April 13, 2005 0508 ActiveX Control 325 kilobytes for Homegroup.com DLG 32.0 CX February 16, 2010 1522 ActiveX Control 153 kilobytes 0 CSVED July 24, 2012 0736 Application 1253 kilobytes Computer JJJ Expeditor May 21st 2012 1422 Compiled HTML 497 kilobytes and Acer Company ISJ Custom October 30th 2014 1640 Microsoft Excel Z7 kilobytes WinTrans do email footer December 5th 2013 2258 text document 1 kilobyte TI Microsoft Office Clean IQ email header May 13th 2013 2132 text document 1 kilobyte 1 English in June 29th 2010 1321 LNG file 11 kilobytes network IJJ frequencies September 27th 2014 0321 CSV file 600 kilobytes frequencies October 27th 2014 0957 Microsoft Excel C 600 kilobytes WMARC 32.0 CX February 16th 2010 1522 ActiveX Control 211 kilobytes IPsend 1 Sculptor OCX February 5th 2012 1217 ActiveX Control 1046 kilobytes MSN API 32.0 CX February 16th 2010 1422 ActiveX Control 148 kilobytes WMSV BBM 60 DLL April 14, 2008 1412 Application Extends 1353 kilobytes Notified June 19, 2013 0730 IBAN PWAB file 480 kilobytes James Compact TLB September 11, 2013 1036 TLB file 23 kilobytes JS Scott 32 OCX February 16, 2012 1346 ActiveX Control 136 kilobytes Setup October 11, 2014 1604 text document 7 kilobytes Now you can see everything that's contained in the SpookyTube folder. This folder is where you'll have to visit if you wish to manually install a new database or edit your own custom database in Notepad. The top 7 icons are folders, the rest are files. Folders always contain files. The first one in the list on the left, CP210XBCP Windows, contains 5 driver installers. The fourth folder from the top, PR2302 Prolific Driver Installer VL80, contains the installer for the UDV1108S driver. Since this procedure is identical for installing either driver, we'll do it for the Silicon Labs 5N drivers. So double-click the first folder in the list to open it. Back to Contents, 34. If your PC is a recent 64-bit model, choose the installer whose name ends with X64. If it's an older 32-bit machine, choose the x86 installer. In either case, right-click on the file and choose Run as Administrator from the context menu that pops up. This will temporarily give you the permissions to install software into the deeper levels of the operating system. When the installation finishes, it's best to restart your PC because some flavors of Windows require this to correctly register newly installed components. If, after all this, spookies you still can't find your generator, it's possible that your installation is damaged. In this case, it's best to uninstall, then run a fresh copy of the installer again. Here's how. Back to Contents, 35. Click on the Windows Start menu at the lower left of the screen and choose Control Panel as shown below. Spooky, EFM UMLTM by UNI, CB Avast. Free antivirus Skype, Windows Media Center, Getting Started, IW, EFM thumbnails, sticky notes, slipping to reveal programs, search programs and flies, J. The Start menu will disappear and a new window will open. Back to Contents, 36. If you haven't been here before, this is probably what you'll see, not terribly informative or useful. So click on the View by menu at the top right and change it from category to small icons. And this is what you'll see instead. Back to Contents, 37. IHJ. Control Panel. All Control Panel items. I4 by I search Control Panel. Adjust your computer settings. UI. Small icons. Action Center G. Administrative tools. J Autoplay. Backup and restore. Click to run Application Manager. CJ Color Management. IJGJJ Credential Manager. Date and time default programs. Desktop gadgets. Device Manager S. 3 devices and printers. AP Display User Access Center. Flash Player. 32-bit. P order options and fonts. JJ Getting Started. $Home Group Indexing Options. Internet Options. £5 keyboard. Cubic millimeter location and other sensors. Y mouse. Network and sharing center. Row notification area icons. Registered trademark. Parental controls. Age performance information. Tools. F personalization. L0 and modem. Power options. JYU programs and features. M. 1 recovery. Registered trademark region and language. Remote APP and desktop connection. Smart audio. Sound dissection. Speech recognition. Section Sync Center. System taskbar and start menu. H troubleshooting. User account. Windows anytime upgrade. LJ. Windows card space. Windows depending. Windows firewall 9. Windows light language setting. Windows Mobility Center S. Windows update. Choose programs and features. Highlighted in the image above. This will open a new window. Back to Contents. 38 is all Control Panel items. Programs and features. Control Panel Home. View installed updates. Turn Windows features on or off. Uninstall or change a program. To uninstall a program. Select it from the list and then click Uninstall. Change. Or repair. Organize. Uninstall change S equals £0. Name publisher. Microsoft SQL Server 2005 Compact Edition. EMU Microsoft Corporation. 111 feet Microsoft Visual C++ 2005 Redistributable Microsoft Corporation. IT Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 Redistributable. x86 9.0.30,729.17 Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 Redistributable. x86 9.0.30,729.4148 Microsoft Corporation. FL Microsoft Visual C++ 2010. x64 redistributable minus 10.0